Hello and welcome to this another CAD tutorial by Disenyo Local. So today I would like to share with you how to use union command here. So I have an object here which is unified, a cylinder and a box. So I'm gonna union these two objects here, the cylinder and the box. So I'll just move these objects or object. So using move command. Okay. Okay. Okay, let us try to union this one. Select all objects and space. So there you go. The two objects are now one using the union command. So that's all. Thank you.